What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you're new to our channel or if you've been checking out our content, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. It helps our content reach a wider audience, and we greatly appreciate the support. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing some updates about the Sable One secure credit card. So we've done several reviews already on Sable One. Just to recap, Sable One is a fintech credit card. It's actually a secured credit card where you put down a deposit, whatever deposit amount, that'll serve as your limit, and it will help you build your credit. And it does report to the credit reporting agencies. Now, what makes Sable One unique is that there's absolutely no hard credit check. So unlike some other secure credit cards that will actually hard pull you and even deny you, even if you have the deposit in your account already. Now, Sable One is a very easy account that you can get. Now, what makes Sable One even more unique now is the fact that they now allow you to graduate in as little as 4 months. So when a secure credit card graduates, that means you get your deposit back, but you get to keep the credit line as well as potentially get a credit limit increase. Sable One now has the path to unsecured credit, where you can get unsecured in as little as 4 months. Now, there are some key factors that they are considering when evaluating you to unsecure from the secured card to the unsecured card. So they're going to be looking at the age of the secured credit card account, on-time payments history, spend amount and frequency, monthly active usage. So if you're using it pretty frequently, month to month, the secure credit limit size. So they're going to prefer that the limit be at least $500, credit outstanding balance, the Sable bank account balance. So they're also going to be considering how much money that you have in your Sable bank account, because in addition to the credit card, they also have a debit card and a checking account. So they're going to be looking at a variety of different factors. And then last but not least, they're also going to be considering whether or not you have a payroll direct deposit history. Now, one thing I wanted to say off the gate is that you don't have to have a direct deposit. Unlike some other credit builders out there where they require you to have a direct deposit, sometimes even just to open up the account, with Sable One, they do encourage you, if you do have a direct deposit, that you could switch it over, but it's not a requirement in order for you to graduate. Now, right here it says Sable determines eligibility based on responsible use of the secure card account. Sable may consider other factors not listed. So how it works, once you get your account set up, you just use it just like you would use any other credit card. And once you clear certain milestones, it'll increase the likelihood and the speed of becoming unsecured. Each month, they'll notify you either through the app and email if you're eligible for graduation. Once you opt in to graduate, you will receive 100% of your funds back as credit balance, and there will be no credit check or impact to your credit score for graduating. So once you do opt in, they're going to send you all of your funds back as a statement credit or as a credit balance. They're not going to pull your credit. There are some secure credit cards that will actually pull your credit again once you become eligible to graduate, but Sable One will not do that whatsoever. Now, according to their path to unsecured promise, there's certain milestones that provide an accelerated, transparent path to graduate from a secured Sable One credit card to an unsecured Sable One credit card. Now, again, on-time secure credit card payments every month, transactions of at least $250 on your secured credit card every month, 15 plus transactions on your secure credit card every month, credit limit of at least 500 on your secure credit card for the last 4 months. Now, here's one thing about the Sable One credit card is that you can change what your secure credit limit is by either adding more money or reducing the amount of money. So what they're saying is that if you have a limit of at least $500 for 4 months, then that's going to increase your chances of graduating. And then also, if you have payroll direct deposits, that's just going to be another factor that they're going to look to see if they could graduate you faster. So this will help you, but again, it's not a requirement. Now, as it says right here, milestones increase the likelihood and speed you become unsecure. Not all milestones need to be reached. However, the more milestones you reach, the quicker your graduation may be. The Sable One secured credit card has no fees or minimum deposit, so you could determine what you want your limit to be. In fact, Sable One will still report to the credit reporting agencies even if you don't make a deposit. So you could decide what you want your limit to be, up to $10,000. There's no annual fees, foreign transaction fees, or late payment fees. Now, as a lot of you know, there's also no credit check or impact to your credit score to apply. In terms of other rewards, you'll earn 2% cash back at Amazon, Netflix, Spotify, Hulu, Uber Eats, as well as Whole Foods. You'll earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. And they also give you a dollar for dollar match of all cash back earned in your first year. So this is very similar to like the Discover It secured card where they have the cash back match. They'll double all the cash back that you earned in your first year. Other premium benefits include phone insurance, car rental insurance, new purchase insurance, price protection. You also get extended warranty, so you could double the original manufacturer's warranty for eligible purchases used with your Sable credit card. You have satisfaction guarantee, travel assistance, as well as zero liability, so you won't be held liable for any unauthorized purchases. So here's how Sable One compares to some of the other secured credit card and other credit card builders. So you have the Discover It, you have Capital One, Bank of America, Citibank, as well as Chime. Now, one of the big distinguishers is the graduation promise. So Sable One, you can graduate in as little as 4 months. With Discover It, although it does graduate, it's going to depend on other factors. So my experience with Discover It, it took about 7 billing cycles before it actually unsecured. Bank of America does unsecure, but again, it's going to be dependent on other factors on your credit report. Now, Citibank does not guarantee graduation at all. And from what I understand, Chime does not graduate either. There's no annual fee. You do earn rewards, premium card benefits, no late payment fees, and you can get notified when it reports to the credit reporting agencies. You can also freeze your accounts through the mobile app, and there's absolutely no foreign transaction fees. So overall, I think this is great news, and this might make the Sable One secure credit card probably one of the best secure credit cards out there, because there's not too many secure credit cards out there that you can get with no credit check and it graduates. Now, there's secure credit cards that graduate, but when you look at it, a lot of those secure credit cards are going to hard pull you, right? Discover It's going to hard pull you. Navy Federal and Rewards is going to hard pull you. US Bank secure credit cards are going to hard pull you. So this is one of the rare ones where they're not hard pulling you and it does graduate. So you could essentially use your own funds to not only build credit, but also get access to an unsecured revolving personal credit line in as little as 4 months. Now, there are other secured credit cards that graduate, but some of them have much longer time horizons, either 7 months, 11 months, a year, 18 months, and in some cases, 7 years to graduate where you get your deposit back. So I think this is a great option for those of you who are looking to build credit. There's absolutely no impact to your credit score. So you're essentially using your own funds to build your credit, get access to a credit line, and then get your funds back. If anyone's interested, I've dropped a link in the description of the video. Let me know your comments and questions in the comment section down below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.